Hey, what's up, guys? 2011 Nissan Cube top dog bone motor mount. I got an 18mm socket here, and you'd probably need an 18mm wrench, like a longer one, because these bolts are a little tight. First, what I do is I would get this one loose. I had to break it loose with my 18mm long wrench because, like I said, it was really tight. You can pull this out. I don't have the engine supported or nothing. I'm doing this just like in like a driveway type setting. I got this out. Next, we're going to get this out. Same thing. 18. I had to get it loose with my extension 18 because it's pretty tight. I got this out. I don't know if you noticed, they're two different bolts. But then we're going to go and wiggle this out here like that. And as you can see, it's broke right there. They crack. Here's my part number. It looks like it's called something else, like a auxiliary torque, whatever. But you would want to match it up. I got mine from the dealer. It should only go in one way. Here's the wrong way to put it in. So if it goes in, then you shouldn't. The correct way to put it in is like this, just like how it was. And then we're going to put our bolt in. What I do is I'll just get both bolts hand started. I'll just start with this one, and then this one right here, the one with the washer, goes on the actual like mount part that goes to the engine. So I got these both started. This one I had to kind of hand start with my wrench, so I guess it's wrench starting. But I get them both like, you know, a quarter in before I start tightening them down, because you don't want it to be like crooked, and then the other one will be a hard time getting in. But anyways, yeah. So after that, what I'm going to do is just tighten them both down. And like I said, I didn't have the engine supported or nothing. So this is something you can just do in your driveway. Go ahead and get these down. I don't have the torque specs, so if anyone knows the torque specs, you can put those in there. But you want to get these bolts pretty tight. And yeah, I got my 18 right here. I'm going to go ahead and tighten them down as best I can. And that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Get your two bolts tight, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.